Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed higher to finish the week on Friday, lifted by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, utilities, and the real estate sectors. On the economic docket, personal income improved by 0.3% in August, while personal spending, that advanced 0.3% in August. The Chicago PMI falling to 60.4 in September, while the University of Michigan Sentiment Index, that reached 100.1 in September versus 96.2 a month ago. When combined, decliners ahead of advancers, 41% of SP 500 constituents trading lower on Friday. Now, after the markets closed, Tesla CEO and Chairman Elon Musk reaching a settlement regarding the securities fraud charge with the Securities and Exchange Commission, where he and the company will be fined for a total of $40 million. Also, he is required to step down as chairman and will be ineligible to be re-elected for 3 years. Moving on overseas, Asian markets slightly higher today. The Nikkei up just about 0.5%. The Hang Seng up about 0.25%. China CSI 300 up 1.04%. And South Korea's Kospi down 0.18%. European markets posting a rebound, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. In terms of expectations today, there's no major news to announce. Well, on the economic docket, 9:45 in the morning, we have September market U.S. manufacturing PMI. We also have construction spending at 10 a.m. and ISM manufacturing. In terms of the markets, the SP 500, that sees a move towards 2952.50, and that's in focus this Monday as the index broke above a declining trend line. The rising 20-hour moving average crossed above the 50-hour one, generating a bullish signal, so long positions above 2927 are favored, with targets at 2947 and 2952.50 in extension. On to the Nasdaq, that sees the upside prevail, while the Dow Jones, that sees further advance.